Hi there, students. Turbid. Okay, turbid is an adjective. You could have turbidly, the adverb. Turbidity or turbidness, the noun of the quality. Okay, for example, if water is turbid, it means the sediment at the bottom has been roiled up, it's been disturbed, and the water is now murky, it's cloudy. Yeah, so turbid water. So it had been raining for many days, and turbid water poured down the river. Yeah, this cloudy water that you can't see through. Not something that is beautiful, clear water like the water in by a Pacific island. No, this is the water in the Thames. The water in the Thames is this green, murky, turbid water. It's full of sediment. You could have turbid beer. Yeah, if the beer that they serve you is turbid, you probably ought to complain. There are some beers that are meant to be turbid, but most modern beers are not. They're cloudy. Yeah, the sediment. Wine could be turbid wine. The lees of the wine, the sediment has been brought up, and that's what makes it turbid. Then, from that, you can also use turbid to mean something that's unclear, that's confused, that's obscure. So a turbid situation where what is happening is not clear. Okay, so you don't have enough information to know what's happening. Yeah, the situation is muddled, is in a state of turmoil. I guess turmoil, yes, but turbid. It's cloudy. There's confusion. Yeah, the turbidity of war. Yeah, it's confused, it's muddled, it's disturbed. So the data that governments have been giving about COVID, the statistics, have been very, very turbid. Yeah, like muddy coffee, like muddy waters. It's not. It's very difficult to decipher exactly what it means. I guess the you could have the atmosphere could be turbid, could be full of haze or full of dense fog. Yeah. So so you couldn't see. So it was murky. But let's see. A turbid liquid is not transparent because there are lots of bits of rubbish and different things suspended in it. Yeah, so it's murky, it's cloudy, and then turbid. So you can't see very clearly. Yeah, so the smoke of many fires presented a very turbid view. And then something that is difficult to understand, it's confused, it's obscure. So the turbid plot of a piece of art cinema, for example, something that's confusing. So turbid, opaque with sediment, a turbid stream, heavy with smoke or mist, a turbid day. Okay, without clarity or purity. Yeah, the turbid depths of degradation. Yeah. Okay, his mind is very turbid. He doesn't know exactly what he wants to do. He can't get it clear. So his mind is in turmoil, in confusion. So turbid, cloudy, agitated, not clear. So, formality. This sounds rather literary and rather formal. I think I'm going to give this turbid A 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I think that's probably the best place for it. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin turbidus, meaning disturbed, from turba, a crowd, a mass, a disturbance, a large group of people. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Turbid.